grass is green, the sky is blue, the moon is white, the clouds are too. The sun is yellow, shining bright, colors dancing in the light. So many colors everywhere. Let's look around and stop to stare. What a color world we see, so bright, so fun for you and me. Red and yellow, green and blue, every day brings something new. What a colorful world we see, right here where we love to be. The trees are brown, the leaves turn red, they swirl like paint above our heads. The sunset glows with orange cheer, color magic far and near.